Hey guys, what's up? It's Marycarmen here with Tastemade, and today I'm stoked because I finally get to try Viale de Romani here in West Hollywood. It is LA's newest and hottest Italian restaurant, and they are known for having a 100-layer lasagna. And today I get to go into the kitchen with Chef Casey Lane to not only prepare it, but also finally taste it. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, I'm here in the kitchen with Chef Casey Lane. We have what's the beginning of your 100-layer pasta. First of all, let me ask you, is it really 100 layers?
It does come out to be about 100 layers. There's about 50 layers of pasta, about 50 layers of bolognese.
You know, one of the things that I noticed that this pasta is thinner than most lasagnas.
In the States, you know, we've become very accustomed to these kind of fat noodles
with
and
lots
these big
of
layers
cheese.
of ricotta cheese.
Yes.
And it's so almost kind of sloppy.
Sloppy's good sometimes, but I'm excited for this too. But you know, I love a good lasagna.
Elegant.
We have to talk about the bolognese because it's you call it the world's best, right? I could smell the bolognese from here, so now I want to taste it. So much garlic. I love garlic.
A lot of aroma, yeah, from that sofrito, like the onions, the garlic, the celery, the carrot, just being cooked down and cooked down. It makes it very floral, very perfuming. Soft, yeah, good.
I love how the meat is just very tender. I can get addicted to just pressing my tongue up against the roof of my mouth, and it just crumbles right in there. I love that. I've been dying to do this with you. Teach me how to make this, yeah?
Okay, so we have our pasta sheets, right? And we just lightly blanch those in some water after we roll them out.
Okay.
Lay one down, like a little bit of bolognese. It's kind of spreading on, and you can really do it a bit kind of chunky. It doesn't need to be super even. A touch of the bechamel, same thing. We'll put this on, we'll pat it down a little bit.
So you just keep pressing as you go. You want it to be as flat as...
Just a gentle press, you know?
Gentle, okay. Lasagna doesn't technically have cheese, but it has the creaminess of the sauce, right?
So bechamel is a bit of cheese, milk, a little bit of roux, and butter. This just provides a little bit of creaminess so that there's just a richness in each bite, but it really eats more like a pasta than it does your kind of traditional lasagna.
I'm just gonna use my hands, right?
Okay, so we've got 10 layers down. We have 90 more
Is
to
this
go.
10? Oh my God, yeah. You know, guys, I've been just slaving away, and I just want to show you my finished product. Wow, this 100 layers. Okay, I didn't make this. This is all you guys, but this is the finished product,
this is
right?
The finished product, yeah.
All right. There you go. First slice of the night. It's beautiful. The slice is so aesthetically pleasing. Like the layers, so thin. I love how thin it is. It's cute. Yeah, I'm so excited to eat this, but in the meantime, you know, when I come to the restaurant, I know that there's appetizers, there might be other dishes around.
We have some things. No, we'll put you together a little spread. It'll have a little North African, a little Southern Italian, a little bit of Southern French.
All right, bring them over, because I'm hungry. Empty belly here. Amazing.
We also give you a little Jim salad with a tahini vinaigrette, a little bit of sesame seeds, some fried chickpeas, and an herb salad. Calamaro. It is a large wood-grilled piece of calamari that we just kind of gently score, so it's a little bit easier for you with a fork and knife. It comes with the salsa rustica, which is padron peppers. Padron peppers are little green peppers from Spain, kind of like a shishito pepper. I think these three kind of give the whole southern coast of Italy, France, and North African quality that the restaurant's known for.
I am speechless because I am just looking forward to getting in there and just eating it all. And thank you for this feast. I'm looking forward to it. Wow. It dissolves in your mouth as you're eating it, and it's just so much flavor. I want to show you how easy it is to cut through the lasagna. I'm truly not missing the cheese. It's creamy, I think the bolognese is just perfect. You don't need cheese when you have this many layers of goodness. I kept thinking, what does this remind me of? What does it remind me of? I'm cutting and it's so easy to cut through and it's so soft and delicious, but it's a slice of cake. It's lasagna cake. It's so soft. It's like angel food cake, but lasagna. It smells delicious. I love a good calamari. Chickpeas add like that extra little crunch that you need when you're eating squid. The flavor in this, it's like an explosion in your mouth. So many spices. The padron chili is not overbearing. It's just perfect, and this amount of spice is for everyone. The chickpeas, it's like cereal. You know how Cocoa Puffs is so crunchy? It's like chickpea Cocoa Puffs without the chocolate. That's how crunchy they are. I just had dessert. Angel food cake, Cocoa Puffs, chickpeas, and I'm gonna end it with my salad. Oh look, surprise, I get the chickpea Cocoa Puffs again. And they're not in sauce, so they're gonna be crunchier. Maybe you can hear them, let me see. Oh yeah, they're crunchy. See, sesame seeds, fried capers. The dressing is phenomenal. All the herbs blend so well together. The vinaigrette that is on top is the right amount of citrus. I'm going back to the lasagna just because it's not my way to end with the salad. Delicious all around. Definitely my favorite dish. Come try it if you have a chance. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Cheers.